What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, reactants, are converted into new substances, products, through the breaking and forming of chemical bonds. This involves the transformation of atoms from one arrangement to another, resulting in changes to the chemical composition of the substances involved. In general, reactants A plus B gives product AB. Reactants are those substances which react together to form a product. Product is a final substance which is formed when reactants react together. Note: 1. During a chemical reaction, amount of reactant decreases and the amount of product increases. 2. During a chemical reaction, there is only rearrangement of atoms. Atoms are neither created nor destroyed. Characteristics of a chemical reaction. How to identify if a chemical reaction took place. 1. Evolution of gas. 2. Formation of precipitate. 3. Change in color. 4. Change in temperature thermometer. 5. Change in state. An important activity. Burning of manganesium in air. Magnesium burns in air with a dazzling white flame to give magnesium oxide. Before burning it in air, it is rubbed with a sandpaper because it reacts with atmospheric oxygen, which prevents further reaction with oxygen that is burning. 1. Evolution of gas. There are some chemical reactions which proceed as a result of evolution of gas. Calcium carbonate when heated gives CaLCHIUM oxide and carbon dioxide. Test for carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, then lime water turns milky. When zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Test for hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. 2. Formation of precipitate. There are some chemical reactions in which precipitate is formed. Precipitate is an insoluble solid substance which is collected at the bottom of a beaker. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide and forms lead iodide, which is a yellow-colored precipitate, and potassium nitrate. 3. Change in color. There are some chemical reactions in which there is a change in color. Copper sulfate reacts with zinc to give zinc sulfate and copper metal. Copper sulfate is blue and zinc sulfate is white. 4. Change in temperature. Whenever heat is released or absorbed in a reaction, then it indicates that a chemical reaction has taken place. Calcium oxide and water react to give calcium hydroxide and heat. 5. Change in state. In some chemical reactions, there is a change in state. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to give water. Like, share and subscribe now.